might be wondering why your car suddenly starts running rough, or why that check engine light is blinking at you during a cold morning start. Most of the time, the culprit is a small but mighty component known as the ignition coil or inductor. In the world of electronics, we represent this part with the letter capital L and measure its strength in units called henries. Think of it as a tightly wound coil of conductive wire that acts like a gatekeeper for electricity. When you send current through it, it creates a magnetic field that stores energy. Its primary job is to resist any sudden changes in the flow of electricity, which helps keep the current steady. In your daily driver, you probably know this part as the ignition coil. It takes the relatively low 12-volt output from your battery and ramps it up to thousands of volts to create a powerful spark. That spark is exactly what you need to ignite the fuel in your engine cylinders. Because the current through an inductor cannot change instantly, it builds up and tapers off in a controlled way, preventing electrical spikes from damaging your sensitive electronics. Without a healthy set of these coils, your engine would just be a heavy piece of metal sitting in your driveway. If you notice your car hesitating when you step on the gas, or if your fuel economy is starting to drop, it might be time to look at how these coils are performing. Keeping them in good shape ensures that your ignition system has the punch it needs to keep your commute smooth and reliable. Whether you are driving a modern sedan or a heavy-duty truck, understanding how this magnetic field handles electricity can save you a lot of troubleshooting time when things go wrong under the hood. It is a fundamental piece of tech that bridges the gap between your battery and the actual combustion that moves your wheels down the road every single day.